Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakanhu nila ka jong Mawkawah City kelayo bandra abat Korea kanam Lahduh ha Super Division jong Limpung nila ka District Cricket League araja apusan araja apun riu ya kabala penlong de Wkhdca Hills District Cricket Association. Kani kanam Lahduh jong Mawkawah City kelawan hadian baklala aban Korea ka jing job da saw wicket ya ka Lahduh tang SS and CC ha ka jing nila ka final persya kabala long ha ka singi thok ding jong katayo hamadan Maurus yar Wkhdca Hills District. Hakani kasni ya kanam best player of the match layo ban khor da u baman bha shangplyang naka Mawkawah City ubalayo Andrew pulai run sanpun riu ball Andrew over she maiden but khat pra run but lai wicket. Shu hakani kasni ya kanam emerging player layo ban khor da u meda bat scam ding do u highest runner scorer layo ban khor da u closling do na Lahduh tang SS and CC. Yung highest wicket taker par layo da Ulakhan Singh na nong pendeng SS and CC. Yung player of the tournament layo hiban khor da closling do na Lahduh tang SS and CC ubalayo south pa praron khat pra wicket. Habasaki ya kajing kun final jong kini ki artli ki ken hun ha Super Division menta ka samoy ya kajing kenting pisa la job da ka Lahduh tang SS and CC bat la jet ban bat shwa ha ka ba ka Lahduh tang SS and CC klayo ban kamai shi spa lai pusan run bat hap no baro ship ho wicket na ki lai phulai poniwe ubar nangta haba be ekathong bat kajing kamai run jong ka Lahduh tang Mawkawah City kalala ban Korea kajing job bat poi shi spa saw run bat ha henry wicket nagi arhu saw point saw obar kumta lingba kani kajing la ban yele kai kaken hun kala Korea kajing job da saw wicket bat rasnan ya ka nam Lahduh ha ka Samoi District Cricket League Super Division arhaja apusan arhaja apun riu.
Let's clap for them, please. Let's clap for them. Di sini.